Welcome back to a rather sunny, this is very strange, 2026 Isle of Man TT. So we're just arriving as normal at the ferry terminal at Liverpool, which is straight ahead. There's the boat. So this is going to be a repeat of last year's video with better weather. So it's just me getting on the boat. Don't get too excited. Me going the wrong way. That way. Yeah. Messed that one up. Where am I going? This bit there. God's sake, it's not that difficult, and I mess it up again. Right, glove off. Old school ticket in bag. There she is. Excellent. Alright, fella. Oh, hold on. I've got an old-fashioned ticket. Good to go, man. Thank you. Right, we're in. Scanned and in. Thank you, sir. Alright, we're in. A lot of people, staff. Number 3. Oh, we're here. A lot more cars so far than usual. Like I say, we are a bit early. It's Saturday evening. Normally I come over on the Sunday, but I couldn't get a crossing on the Sunday. Lastminute.com. Anyway, this is it. Exciting, isn't it? Well, this has got to be the most sedentary crossing onto the Isle of Man I've ever had in my life. I think the reason being is Saturday evening, Saturday the 23rd of May, so it actually starts on Monday the 25th. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, 23rd, 24th, 25th. 25th of May. I suppose I've got to go to this. So yeah, it's usually a lot busier than it is now. But yeah, it's hopefully it's going to be a calm one. This time last year it was horrible weather, but it was pretty rough as well, to be honest. It was a bit touch and go whether I was going to keep the bike upright or not when I actually got on the boat, if you didn't see the video. Anyway, so today's video is just going to be me getting on the boat. I'll probably film a little bit getting off the boat the other end at Douglas, and that'll be it for today's video. And then what I'm planning on doing, if I can be bothered, it might be a bit of a struggle to start with because I'm getting over a bit of man flu, and you know what it's like, this old man flu. Yeah, so what I'm planning on doing is pretty much like I do every year. I'll just do a video every day. So when the racing's not on, I shall just go and do a little bit of ride around the island, see what I can see and document it and stick it up. So, and then I'll be doing the racing, or in my case the practice, from different locations around the island. I've got nothing planned, it's just a loose plan. I'm there for 10 days. I'm going to have a look at what I fancy having a look at. I'll go and stand where I fancy standing to watch the practice stroke racing, and document it and put it on YouTube every day. That's the plan. Anyway, worked out fine last year, so hopefully this year will be the same. So yeah, if you want to see some TT bits and bobs, then stay tuned and stick around, as they say. But I'm going to turn this off because we're just going to sit here for another half an hour, aren't we? Right, we're off. We're off. Ah, this is lovely. Sure got the right week, there's no one here. This is usually absolutely rammed and wet and horrible. Not today though. Look at that flat calm sea. I'm trying not to cough. Oh, my ribs hurt to keep coughing so much. Where am I going? Straight down? Easy peasy. So people that have never done this before, just take your time, it's not that bad. Even when it's busy, it's not that bad. You just follow the person in front and you go where that guy's telling you to go. That's it. They strap it down for you. Make sure you leave the bike in gear and get off. Oh, God. I can't get off with the panniers on. Is that it? Right, there's no I'm going to trust them to strap my bike down. It's not looking good. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me grab my phone. That's it. That was no drama. We made it. That was drama free. Oh dear. Still quite a lot of bikes on, considering it's not busy. Oh, are we going this way? Oh, I'm gonna go, yeah, I'm gonna go this way. Thank you. Puffing and panting video. Try not to puff and pant. It sounds worse than it is with these helmets on. Right, and we're here. Oh, nice smooth crossing. Everyone getting off. Bloody freezing here. What's going on? I'll probably go the other way. Oh. Oh, there's no big panic to get off. There's not many people on to worry about, so it's usually a lot busier than this. You alright, mate? Be alright. Steady. Panniers sticking out everywhere. Easy. Piece of piss this is this year. So much easier. Oh God. And we're on dry land, nearly dry land. I've not said that for a while coming here. Well, it's usually wet land. Bloody so cold here though. I wonder what the temperature will settle down now. So it's 17, 18 when I come off the boat. That will start going down. Yeah, it feels like autumn again. I was sweating last night at home in bed. It's so friggin' hot. Right. I think I can remember where the campsite is. So now we're here, I'm just going to the campsite, which I haven't booked, so I'm just going to turn up. Sure, it'll be fine. So that's it. Excuse me, Mark. Getting on the boat and getting off the boat. How exciting video. The easiest video in the world to make. Just get on a boat and get off again. Press record. That's it. Upload. You just have to take your time coming out of here, because people are like, I don't know where I'm going, I need to wait for my mates, and then it's like, nah, don't wait for them, I'll cut the corner off like these guys. And people are stopping to sort the stuff out because they haven't done their helmet up, or they've got the gloves not on, and then of course you want your sat nav sorting out if you don't know where you're going. So it can be a little bit dicey. But yeah, just chill out. It's night time, look. What is the time? 10:30 at night. It's 10:33 p.m. So I think this video is about done. So on that note, thank you very much for watching, and if you want to watch more TT related stuff, stick around for the daily updates. And on that note, I'll speak to you on the next one, hopefully, if you're still here. Bye for now.